This is All African News coming to you live right now. All African News. Uganda. Multitude of 4.5 earthquake shakes Uganda. A magnitude of 4.5 earthquake struck Uganda on Sunday night, sending tremors across its epicenters in central with parts of western, eastern, and sections of the northern corridors, reeling from one of the most widely felt seismic events in recent months. Primarily, data from international monitoring system, including the United States Geographical Survey, placed the earthquake at magnitude of 4.5, with the geotech reporting a closely matching multitude of 4.49. The epicenter was located near Nakasongola at around 21:19 local time in Uganda's central seismic belt. Shallow earthquakes tend to transmit stronger surface shaking over large area, even when their magnitude is moderate. Report indicates that the tremors was felt across central Uganda, including Kampala and surrounding districts, extending eastwards to Jinja and westwards into parts of the Albert Line region. Northern Uganda also registered mild shaking, consistent with seismic wave propagations through the Rift Valley system. The Directorate of Geological Survey and Mines had not issued an official public statement on the event by the time of publication, with early confirmation instead coming from the international seismic monitoring agencies. Uganda lies along the Albert Line Rift, part of the East African Rift System, a tectonically active zone where the African plate is slowly splitting. This geographical setting exposed the country to recurring seismic activity, typically ranging between magnitude 4 and 6, with occasioned stronger events along fault lines stretching into the Democratic Republic of Congo. The strongest recorded earthquake linked in Uganda's seismic zone remains the magnitude 7.2 event of May 20, 1990, which struck the Western Rift region near the Uganda-DRC Congo border area. Although remote from major population centers, it stands as the most powerful event in the country's recorded seismic history. In more recent decades, a magnitude 5.9 earthquake on September 9, 2016, located southwards of Kampala, produced widespread shaking across central and western Uganda, underscoring the country's exposure to region rift-driven seismic activity. Uganda also experienced a notable sequence of earthquakes during the 2005-2006 period, particularly around the Lake Albert Rift system. Those events caused structural damage in Western District, triggered landslides in hilly terrains, and were felt in Kampala due to the transmission of seismic waves across the Central Plateau. The latest magnitude 4.5 event, while moderate, reinforced Uganda's position within one of the Africa's most active continental rift system. Many residents say the earthquake was unusually strong and had not been experienced in a long time. The shaking was intense. At first, we thought the entire home was moving, one resident said. Others described hearing strange rumbling sounds before feeling the ground shake. It felt like the earth was turning underneath us, another resident explained. Seismologists note that some earthquakes are consistent with ongoing tectonic movement along fault lines beneath the western and central corridors. Further assessment from the National Geological Authorities is expected as monitoring continues to determine any aftershock activity and refine the final parameter of the event. Thank Thank you for listening. This is African News. Stay strong and stay active.